Meaning of interleave.
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 Interleave. The term interleave refers to the process of taking two or more separate sets of data and combining them into a single, alternating sequence. The resulting sequence retains the original data from each set, but it is arranged in such a way that the items from one set are interspersed with the items from the other set. This technique is often used in computer memory systems, where blocks of memory from different locations are interleaved to improve performance. Interleaving can also be applied to various types of data transmission, where bits or bytes from different sources are combined and transmitted together in a single stream.